When I started learning ROS, I was really confused by the many different versions of ROS available. And with ROS 1 going end of life as of May this year, I felt that it would be a good topic to discuss in this video. So, what is a ROS distribution? A ROS distribution is a version set of ROS packages, like Linux distributions. These are released every year and follow an alphabetical naming convention. The current supported distros are Humble Hawksbill, Jazzy Jalisco, and Kilted Kaiju. Between these versions, it's mostly improvements under the hood, and 90% of the code written on these versions would work between versions. Because of that, if you're just starting out, ROS 2 Jazzy Jalisco is probably the best choice. Of all the current supported distros, its end of life is farthest away in May 2029. However, you might find that a lot of tutorials and guides are made for Humble. Most of these would probably work with Jazzy, but not all of them, and sometimes with small tweaks. All in all, it's probably best to use Jazzy. However, some documentation might be harder to find than a more mature version like Humble. That's all guys, thanks for watching.